How to add Instagram to Etsy. Now, in order to add Instagram to Etsy, you cannot do it directly from Etsy's website. In order to do that, you have to use third-party softwares or websites such as Zapier. Just simply open zapier.com in order to do that and sign into your account in Zapier at very first. Then you will be in this home page, and from here you will need to tap into this option of Zap. And after coming to this page, it will be much easier visibly if you use your desktop in order to perform this action. Now here you just simply need to select Etsy in your trigger and Instagram in your action. Just simply tap to trigger at very first and search for Etsy in here, and once you find Etsy, you just simply need to select the Etsy app from this page, and after that you need to go back and tap to action, and from here you just simply need to search for Instagram, and after searching Instagram, select the Instagram from here, and you need to choose the same event into Etsy and Instagram, and you can tap to continue, choose an event. Just simply do all of that and select information about your Instagram account and Etsy account, and it will be connected through the Zapier. So this is how you can add Instagram to Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.